So here is my old radio, GM. It has the connections here and here. And then it has the antenna. The screen's busted. And this radio, the back of it still works. Then I got this one. I tried the method after going to buy it to take the screen off and just switch it. Then I realized that this is an older model and it has the same connections that I need, but it has this one. So I don't know if that's the reason why it's not working, because I turn on my car, nothing goes to it except for that. You mean it doesn't turn on, nothing. So if you know anything about this, please comment below. It'll help me. Hopefully this isn't an L.